the Pinkie Pie, and I hope it's gonna be turned out good this time because I love ponies. I think they're really cool. So let's see how it looks. Smush it out a little bit so it could be a little bit butter. Scoop it out with a Play-Doh knife. And then just do this. Gently. And you got it. Just like that. And you scoop it on one of the ponies. Like this. Like on this one. One with no. And just make it stick. Remove the excess of the pony and just make it like this. Keep on smushing it till it gets out the way you like it.